Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add local music to Spotify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Spotify, then go to right top corner to the menu and click settings. Right here when you're going to be in settings, you want to scroll down below and enable show local files. When you're going to do it, you need to show songs from and add a source here. Now right here I'm going to add where is my song? Here, the downloads, and now I can see it. So when I'm going to local files, I'm going to find everything here, and then you will be able to also find it on your mobile. But you need, guys, both of the application on mobile. If you're using it, you need to have updated, and also Spotify needs to be updated. So you won't be able to see it on mobile if you don't have updated version of your Spotify account. So that's really important, okay? And that's pretty much it. So right now when I would play something, it will automatically play here. And this is it. So I have in my downloads, I have my songs here and everything. And again, right top corner to the settings, right, show local files, and then just add a source of where is your music, like the folder or anything. So this is how you can simply add local music to Shopify. And have a great day and goodbye. And then click local files here. See ya.